How to hide Snapchat score. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, open up the Snapchat application on your device and then tap on your profile at the top left corner. Then tap on the gear icon and then scroll down to privacy control. So under privacy control, you can see the option of contact me. So just tap on contact me, and here you can see I have mentioned or toggled on the option of friends and contacts. Now, if you want to hide your Snapchat score from people or some specific person, all you have to do is tap on friends, and this will turn off the ability for contacts to reach you as well. So the conversation with your contacts that might already appear in your feed can be cleared individually. So just tap on OK, and if you want to hide it from a specific person, all you have to do is unfriend that person on Snapchat. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching this, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.